when I use the elbow, I'm really going to roll that forearm into the elbow strike. When I apply the pressure point manipulation, my fingers, I'm going to try the idea, which comes from Tiger, is you're really going to try to have independent motion, which I think is physiologically impossible, but I'm going to do it anyway. You're trying to get the end point of your finger, and that's rolling with your fingers to apply a force multiplier, even on like the micro scale. So from the macro, by just rolling my whole body into a forward, totally committed, reckless elbow strike / roll down to the level of applying pressure points using, in theory, remember, for those of you who felt it, I'm going for 3 pressure points, and it's 1, 2, 3 in a rolling motion. So I'm applying pressure to all 3, kind of in sequence, but without cross hand grab. Okay. So for snake, I had this one. I came up around to clear, right? I had that for like anteater. This hand is going to be the tongue. I'm looking for the ant, right? And this one's going to be the claw. So that one that I did where I grabbed, my hand was horizontal and then down. Right? For anteater, it's going to be vertical forward. And then because it's anteater, I'm going to throw an elbow. So this is a wrist lock into an elbow. Okay. I'm going to show a nice, easy technique. I know who here. Go through, right? I cleared. So this clears the gravity, right? So if I want to escape, that's my clear for the for the hand grip. But this is a CLOT seminar, so we just skip past all that stuff. We're going here, right? Forward, right? Then I have this into a wrist lock, and the wrist lock I'm going to do is cross my body and down and to the side. This, you can feel this one. You can feel the points, right? Yeah. Into the other here. So now I have the wrist fold.